Hey friends, if you wish to solve Windows Update error 0x800f0922, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So, right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, and then go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. The next solution will be to reset Windows Update component. So we have a script for you. Simply copy the script and search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator and then paste the script here. Now I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folders. It will re-register the DLLs, it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.